Hello everybody, I am Prashant Trivedi from Syntex Industries Limited, and today I am going to talk on plastics in construction and infrastructure, and would like to put apart my views and show you some applications wherein we can see the benefit of plastics against all conventional material, and look at the industry where we see that the plastics has got an ultimate and good application in the relation to its functionality. In today's economic world, when the whole world is facing economic lowdown, the construction and infrastructure industry is the growing industry, and in this industry the application of plastics is seen to a greater effect. When we see the benefit of the plastics, we look that lot of applications are being seen in this industry, and we see lot of beautiful things happening in this developmental work. What is an important criteria in the construction industry? When you look at the construction industry, the basic requirement what you see is easy availability, ease of construction, long life, usage life, time of construction and the cost. This all parameter gives a benefit when you are going to use an innovative material like plastics. So when you see all these benefits, you see that plastics has an upper hand over any other conventional material. Furthermore, the material which are being used have a natural resource which can be used for the better application. Plastic being a newer material and a younger material has got that benefit, and you can use that material in place of this conventional material, saving upon the natural resource which can be used for other application as well. Again, the environmentalists have come up with the issue of non-biodegradability. A lot of people have questioned that a non-biodegradable is an issue where recycling or reusing or environmental harassment is a question by environmentalists. But as a plastic user or as a material user, the non-biodegradability has been a boon to this industry, because the advantage is that it doesn't have to be a biodegradable material. When you think about your own house, do you expect your house to be a biodegradable? No. You require to have a house which is long lasting and beneficiary to the end user, and plastics gives that benefit. Why plastics? As I told earlier, it's a modern material, and younger the material, better the application you find it. So what you see in this basically that it's a new material which can be having a property of long lasting, ease of construction, long usability, functional product as well as the cost beneficiary. Over and above, when we look at the application of the building and construction, energy resource or energy saving is a very major question. When you see this, plastics has got an upper hand over all the natural resources which are available in today's part of the world. Plastics has been a green material, has been an energy efficient material. Plastics has become so popular that it has become our day-to-day usage material. But when you see this scenario, India is not the least, but it's second to the list. But when the usage of plastic has been seen, it has been seen that the plastics per capita usage is low, but the total consumption of plastics in India is largest in the world. So here we see an opportunity. When we go an equivalent per capita usage of plastics like US, Japan or Germany, India stands beyond anybody. Again, plastics looks into variety of application, not only construction industry, it also goes into many other applications like packaging, transportation, food and beverages industry, and many other applications where you will see lot of plastics is being used and been applied for. So this gives you an idea that an opportunity is standing beyond you, in front of you. You just have to look at what application you are going to find out or what you are going to do with that material, which is younger, newer, usable and environmental friendly. When you saw this application of plastics in different field of industry, construction industry also has got a major role of usage of plastics. There are few materials which are very popular and being used in industry. Out of this, when you see the chart here, it gives you that UPVC is the major usage. Most of the things what you see in today's construction industry upfront, like doors, windows, or you can say fenestration industry, is totally dependent on UPVC. You will find UPVC doors, windows, ventilators, partitions, roofing, and all sort of application wherein UPVC has been a beneficiary material. The advantage of UPVC is that it abides all the rules of building and construction, and the major important part is it is a fire retardant material, which gives benefit to the industry. Other advantage of UPVC is that it can be aesthetically designed, colored, pigmented, and made as per the customer's or end user's requirement. But today, lot many materials are going to come into industry, and other important material which is going to come is in composites, which are today a neglected material, but has got a better advantage in structural construction. UPVC has been into aesthetic and fenestration, but composites are going to be a structural alignment with the construction industry. What are the applications? Doors and windows, partitions, roofings, conduits, electrical application, water distribution. You see today on every roof a water tank which is made of plastics today. Earlier considered to be a very unhealthy product made from petroleum products, today it's a boon to the industry by advantage of longevity of usage, better material, light in weight, which has made all the structures of building to a much lighter thought process and calculations. Other applications what you see are into fenestration industry, into thermal insulation process, where you go for a lot of materials where you are talking about energy efficient buildings. Plastics, because of its low K value, has been a very beneficiary material. And today in the European world or in international scenario, plastics has proven its functionality. We are still in India looking at those functions, and we have not to invent a wheel in India and to make this product ready to use with the application what we find today. Today, building and construction industry has accepted this material as an application material, and today we are looking forward to use much more percentage what we are being using today with the newer thought process and newer material coming down. I was talking about the material which was being used into the internal structure of the building, but there are a lot of other applications which are being seen, and if you go towards infrastructure beyond construction, you will find geosynthetics, non-woven fabrics, structures including RP beams, which is reinforced plastic beams. You look at the application of water distribution systems, infrastructure developments, road buildings, all this, the plastics is playing a very, very important role. And we see a no day further here that plastics will become one of the major replacing material for all natural resources which are being used today, and that natural resources can be very well used for a better functional values. When we go to understand what are the materials are being used, it is better to understand by some visuals and some applications which have been known to many people, but it is important that they understand more further in detail. And some of the applications what we will be able to see here, or what I would like to demonstrate, are the practical applications which are being done today and has been accepted by the industry very well. As I was talking about, the fenestration usage is the maximum today in this industry. The newer constructions today are looking for higher heights. Higher heights means you need to have a structure which has to be lighter in weight, better strength, and better environment friendly. PVC, UPVC windows are going to be a beneficiary on all these aspects. They are light in weight, 7 times lighter than metallic structure, around 4 times lighter than the aluminum structure. The outdoor application value is very good. The thermal energy value, what is considered to be a thermal insulation value, is far beyond any metallic structure. When you see the weatherability, the metallic sound or the rattling sound which has been seen at the higher heights can be avoided very well through usage of UPVC windows. Now this UPVC window again has got energy efficiency value. It has got a very low K value which gives benefit for the air conditioning of the building, and it has been seen very clearly that around 30% energy saved is there in air conditioning, and power saving is seen because of usage of UPVC windows, doors and partitions. Another very important application what is seen in our Indian system of staying. Our toilets and bathrooms are always wet condition, and the conventional doors which were being used were being affected because of the humidity, the wetness and the water application on the door. This was been totally taken care by usage of UPVC doors which are being presently used and very popular because of this biggest advantage that it has not been affected by moisture, it has not been affected by rodents, it has not been affected by any of the environmental situation, and it is long lasting and it suits to the application. Aesthetic value, design easiness, fast construction, insulation, and the most important part is that energy saving is giving a benefit to this type of application. The fast construction is a requirement of today. When you construct a building, the very important criteria comes after that is that how fast you settle inside. And to benefit this, plastics has got an added advantage that it gives you a very fast fabrication mechanism wherein all the finishing, fabrication and installation becomes around 3 times faster than the conventional material usage. The newer material gives you better choice of design, better choice of aesthetic value and application. Hence, this product has become so popular today that most of the industry today are willing to go for this application wherein they get a choice of again changing the design or aesthetic value as and when needed when they want to do it. The product which is known to everybody, water tank. 25 years ago, when the water tank was been introduced into this market, people had question about its hygiene condition because of the product was made from petroleum, which was considered to be very bad for health. But today it's a boon because of its own inherent property of hygiene, because the material which is being used in water tank is polyethylene, which is made out of carbon and hydrogen, which is again a very hygienic material as a matter of fact. It doesn't give anything to the stored material, neither it takes anything from it, which is the benefit which any edible water or drinking water needs to be taken care. Second thing, it has not been affected by biological attacks, which is a biggest issue of health today, with major waterborne diseases going popular in country like us. This has become a boon to create a very hygiene environment for drinkable water. At light in weight today, which is the important part in the construction industry, people are going for multi-phase, multi-heights buildings where the structural strength to that of weight of building is a very important criteria. And this is getting benefited by using of plastic tanks, which is around 14 times lighter than a concrete tank, around 7 times lighter than the metallic tank, and all above all the pits and holes which have been found in concrete and metal tanks because of the corrosion and seepage has been taken care by this water tank. The product has been known to the world, and today it is one of the most popular product in construction industry, being practically used in all major sectors. When you see storage, the communication also becomes very, very important. The distribution becomes very, very important. And when you are trying to distribute the material from one place to another, especially the water and the sewerage, the best material is used is plastic pipes. Again, the advantage goes, as earlier I told, that it's very inherent material, doesn't react with anything. Sewerage, which contains lot of contaminants and other chemicals, which surely affects the natural conventional pipeline systems like metal or concrete and been affected by that. PVC pipes or HDP pipes, which are being popularly used into distribution system, are not been affected by this. And this makes this product so popular that today mostly all the distribution mechanism which has been seen in building and construction are being converted to plastic pipes. Another very important product which has come in the latest development are the sandwich panels, or you can say insulated panels. These panels are being used popularly for the pre-engineered buildings and have a very low K value. They are pre-engineered shutters, partitions, walling structure and roofing structure, which gives you very good insulation for the sound as well as heat. In today's industry, when the industry is looking for a very fast mode structures, fast mode construction, this gives you a solution for it. The material which is being used is environmental friendly. It takes care of the strength to design criteria, and it's very important that it takes very less time to construct. In conventional building, if it takes 6 months, this can be completed within 6 weeks with the added benefit of insulation of sound as well as heat and the functional requirements which have been taken care by these structures. Popular products well known earlier also, bathtubs, connections, utility connections and all the things, they are still a popular product and will be a popular product henceforth also. Now in place of ceramics, these are being replaced by most of the material plastics made out of aesthetic plastics like acrylics, polycarbonate and newer materials which have been developed for this application. And when you see this application, plastic doesn't limit itself for its temperature applications. It always goes for higher and sub-zero temperature applications as well. When you see this application, there are pipes made out of PPR and CPVC which we go for high temperature applications, and you have got polyethylene pipes which can go for the sub-zero applications as well. When you see these applications, you do not limit yourself with any application due to the application limitations or the environmental limitations which are being faced by you. Water has become a crisis subject. Today, though we are surrounded by 75+% of water, the usable water which is available to us is hardly 5%. And future will see that the usage is going down and down because scarce availability of water. Today, in some part of the India, people hardly get 5 liters of water per day. And in the urban areas, we waste around 25 to 30 liters of water daily without considering the effect which has been happening in the rural areas. Water and wastewater management is a very important activity today the world needs to look at, especially India, where 60% of our land part is dry land, and we need to manage the water either in purer form or into the waste treatment, where we can recycle, reuse the water which has been discarded because of other reasons. And to see that, plastics have come out with the boon structures, and the advantage what I had told earlier, that it is inherent material which is not been affected by any obnoxious material or sewerage contaminants, and we can use that product to make a product which is being used for treating water or managing water, like septic tanks, water treatment plants, solar water heating system, which is another conventional product, portable toilet systems, portable septic tanks, and lot of water management systems can be done without any problems and taking care of all the issues which are being catered by the conventional material. Very important property which is been described by plastic industry is the insulation, the heat insulation. Today, when we are talking about the energy resource development, energy saving and other materials which have been used for saving energy, which is very important aspect in today's developing world, plastics have come up with a solution that it is one of the most beneficiary energy efficient material. This material can, if you see an example that a 2-inch plastic block can very well replace a 12-inch concrete block and you will get a similar insulation property of the things. But when you see the weight of a 12-inch concrete block to that of 2-inch plastic block, we cannot have that comparison. The major important application what have been seen by the foam plastic material, which have been seen, most of the use are polystyrene foam, polyurethane foam and polyethylene foam. And this have been used in variety of application for heat insulation, sound insulation as well as water seepage restrictors. Polyethylene foam has been used widely worldwide as a water seepage restrictor on the roofs, where they are replacing all the concrete structures and other waterproofing alignment by this material, and has been a proven stable material used for seepage restrictors. Another important material which is being used today is roofing made out of plastics. The conventional material which was being used by industry was asbestos sheet, which was been popularly used in early 70s, but was been banned internationally because of its environmental issue and carcinogenic effect on the health of the user. It was been replaced by cement sheet, which is popular today as well, but the newer constructions and the newer engineers are preferring for going into plastic roofing sheets made out of either UPVC or polycarbonate or other selective materials. The advantage again here lies the light in weight, environment friendly, and when we talk about light in weight, it also reduces the structural strength which has been needed for a conventional material, reduced by nearly 30%, which is benefit to the end user or the building construction industry. The other advantage what you can do is using this roofing sheet as lighting sheets or a transparent sheets, which also further save upon energy of the industry to a much lower extent. In a daylight, you can save upon lot of other electricity applications or illumination which has been needed in the industry. Another product which is being seen today in India in every part and corner of city or urban or rural areas, on every pole you will find an electrical enclosure made out of plastics. Here there is a total change which has happened in the electrical industry. Conventionally, the material was being used was either metal or wooden enclosures. Both had got a difficult situations, while metallic structure were long lasting, but the problem of electrocution, that is conductivity, and corrosion was a big issue. For wooden containers or wooden enclosures, the problem was life of the wooden enclosures. In the metallic enclosures, the problem further became more cumbersome when the metal cost went on exorbitant higher value from rupees 6 to 17. The theft was the biggest issue. Now looking at all this, people started doing SWOT analysis and thought, what can be the material which can be used for this application. Looking at this issue of metallic container or enclosures and wooden enclosures, people started thinking on an alternate material which has to be used for this application and take care of the issues which has been generated because of conductivity, corrosion and the theft. Plastics came as a solution material. Thermoplastics enclosures were being introduced and they proved a beneficiary to this industry. But again, the problem of recyclability and reusability was an issue which gave a theft encouragement, because the value of metal what they were getting and the value of plastic what they were getting was having quite a difference, and you were getting a better price for the plastic recycled material. So the issue remains at the same position. It was being then thought again and went for a material which today people think as an environmental unfriendly material, but proved to be boon to this industry, and thermoset SMC enclosures became a popular product because of a simple reason that it cannot be reused or recycled, and it can be used for the only application what it has been made for. The SMC enclosures have got all the benefits what are required for the application. Plastics, so insulating material, good weatherability, outdoor application where it has been used, light in weight, conductivity, it is the best insulating material, so electrocution was not an issue, and the theft which was been avoided because it cannot be reused for any other application other than enclosure itself. Hence, the advantage was that it take care of all the things and when we did the SWOT analysis, this was a proven material, and today when we see enclosures, they are being used worldwide and has been accepted material made out of thermoset, SMC, fiberglass enclosures. Another very important material in plastics coming from the field of composites or thermoset composites made out of polyester and glass fiber, and these are the structural products. Today when you see replacing any conventional structures which are made out of concrete and metal, this product has been finding its position in a well thought engineering application. Pultruded FRP sections today has been able to achieve the strength what a conventional metal structures are being used today. In European countries, especially in Spain and other countries, these structures are being replacing construction of bridges and other high-end building construction industry. Second thing, it is also been used as structural profiles for the envelope formation for the green buildings, where conventionally the metallic structure were being used, but as you very clearly know, metal are not very good material for energy saving. They are a good conductor of heat, vice versa plastics or composite structures are very good insulators, and has been proven today by not any industrialist, by the user as well. This has got a very beneficiary application. Strength to cost structure is very good. Strength to weight relation is very, very good. Corrosion and all other weather effects are not been affected by that. And the best application is that it is still lighter and strengthier material than what is being done by the conventional material. Energy, environment friendliness is a concern of government. Government of India, to encourage usage of plastics, have formed a group under their division BMPTC, who are the recommending authority, and they are the people who recommend usage of plastics for greener buildings, and they have recommended many of the plastic materials like doors, windows, sandwich panels, tanks as a material of selection when you want to go for an energy saving envelope construction and other applications. These have been preferred material, and you are not needed to approach any other institution when you have got an approved material being used in this type of application. Another very important aspect which I had discussed earlier, water, which has been taken care by many of the corporations and governmental institutions for a rainwater harvesting or rainwater charging system, and their plastics has become a boon material. Most of the things are being made in plastics, and the installation and the cost of installation has become to a reduced rate than the conventional material. The installation becomes faster, the installation becomes very easy, and it can be used as soon as the product has been installed. Because in conventional installation, the problem was that it needed a lead time for getting cured, and the usage to construction time, the gap was too big. With the moving world, with the smaller structures and development world, lot of prefabricated structures or the moving structures are creating a big business today. Now these businesses can only be tackled with prefab structures made out of plastics. Time is money. Today nobody is waiting for time. And when this is a question, this is the solution what you can get from prefab structures made out of plastics. Small kiosks, security cabins, and temporary and semi-temporary structures can be immediately structured, made and designed through usage of plastics and other ancillary applications. Lot of applications. People have seen usage of plastic in disaster management. We had seen few years before an earthquake which created disaster in Gujarat state. Plastics, prefab structures came as a boon to this industry. The structures and the hospitals which were needed at urgency levels were being made available to the people within 3 days of the earthquake, and that what it shows that how a plastic prefabricated structure can be made available at the shortest lead time and to the functional requirement. With newer development in construction, today the percentage may be low in construction industry, the plastics, but the visionaries are there who thinks that 80% of the material being used in construction industry is going to be plastics. When it goes to that level, the today building cost or the time for making that construction will be reduced multiple folds, and you will find that those buildings are more energy efficient, more strengthier, better living habitat, and they will be having better performance levels. We should not limit ourselves to the building and construction industry only. Today, as earlier I talked about, that infrastructure is the most developing sector of business which is happening world around. And there are many applications which has been seen beyond construction. You will see a lot of application of plastics in other sector of business as well, like pipelines, infrastructures, manholes and manhole covers, and the most recent development is technical textiles. Today, most of the distribution system of water, sewerage is being taken care by plastics which are made out of PE, PVC and FRP. The advantage is known to everybody. It's a chemical resistant material. It has got best flow value, which is known as it's better than concrete or metallic pipes. So the loads on pumps and distribution mechanism is much lower than the conventional metal. You save upon energy, longer life, better strength and longer length of construction. So there are lesser joints means less leakage, and that benefits to the end user, that you get 95% recovery of the distribution water which has been sent from one end to other end. Otherwise, the leakage is the biggest issue which is a problem today as stand in the older construction of pipes. In infrastructures, today plastics is gaining its weightage. Not much of plastic is being used, but today in infrastructure road development, 8 to 10, 12% of plastics is being used as a recycled material. That means we are reusing the plastic waste which has been generated out of our habitat into a better application. Waste to wealth is a prime facie importance here. You are generating a wealth from the waste which has been generated by us only. And today the roads made out of this polymeric material have been seen much strengthier, better application and longer life. Further, the geosynthetics or the geofabrics which are being used under the road construction has been proven very beneficiary for the life of the roads and the application of the roads. Another very important aspect into the infrastructure development, the distribution system which is going underground requires to be maintained at accurate distances, and that can only be done through the manholes. The construction manholes, the concrete manholes or other manholes takes long lead time to get it constructed and to be made. The ready available FRP or polyethylene manholes which are factory made, designed as per the engineering load designs and as per the structural designs, are a beneficiary to the infrastructure development. They can be installed very fast, they can be erected very fast, and it can take any loads or traffic loads which is coming on them. Another advantage is that it can be used for its own application. So there is a low chance of that material going out of its application. Last but not the least, today's material we are going to talk about, the technical textiles. When we talk about this material, earlier people said that fabric or the natural fiber has only the application, but when we change to usage of those fabrics into infrastructure and construction, it required a special application, mechanical strength which is needed by this material. And this material and this selection of textiles made out of non-woven fabric or woven fabric made out of variety of other material like polyester, polyethylene, PTFE and Teflon have given a combined strength which can be used as a roofing material into the major malls, industries, airports and stadiums, which is a popular material today. When you see at Mumbai airport today, the fabrics tents which have been at the parking area in the Mumbai airport are made out of technical textiles. These technical textiles have been proven material and they have got longevity and application life. The added advantage is that the structure is so light that you don't require much amount of strength on the base structure, and you can make a very light structure which is functional. So in the last, when we talk about this material, I would rather request everybody not to say no to plastics, but they should know plastics. Thank you for attention. I take this opportunity to thank IPI for giving me opportunity to speak on plastics in infrastructure and construction. Thank you very much.